Okay, first, let's solve the problem of how to turn on the machine. Step 1. Find the power supply cord. Plug the interface into the machine and the power port respectively. Step 2. Press the on-off switch on the backside of the machine. Machine turned on. A small tip here is that if the machine prompts emergency stop, that's because the emergency stop button may get pressed down accidentally during the transportation. You only need to twist the button to release it. Then we go back to the normal page. How to turn off the machine? Step 1. Press the on-off switch on the backside of the machine. Step 2. Unplug the machine. Machine turned off. Okay, that's all for today's sharing. Hope it can help you. If you like our video, please click the subscribe button below to follow us. If you have any suggestion, please leave us a message. See you later.